looking so fried. Okay, that look nice. That look real nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And I am back with another video. Today, I decided to do like a real extra grungy glam look. I have not done something this dramatic, like with my eyes, in a minute. I decided to do a little fall, give you a little bit of autumn. That's the cute way of saying it. Autumn. That's autumn season, and I'm feeling it. If you're feeling it, definitely give this video a thumbs up right now. And if you guys want to see how I got this whole look, hair and makeup, then keep on watching. So I got my cat ears on because it's October, and yeah, I'm about to do my hair real quick. This is hair from Klaiyi. It's a little some Stephanie. But yeah, this is their Malaysian loose wave hair. I got I believe an 18-inch closure and a 22-inch bundle. So I have 3 bundles in this, and she a little full. I love Malaysian hair just for the simple fact that it feels like my real hair. Like, it's soft and it's not as like too soft to the point where you know it's fake. Like, Brazilian hair is like super soft. Peruvian hair resembles my hair too, but Malaysian hair is more like spot on. It resembles like black people hair more so than like Peruvian hair. Yeah, I'm just brushing through it because I gotta get these tangles out since I had it in a bun last night. Their closure is pretty big. Like, it comes to right here to right here. So that is pretty like wide for a closure. It's pretty much a frontal, honestly. All right, and let's do this side. So now I'm just gonna separate my hair, and then I'm gonna just start wand curling it so that it can be real pretty. Real pretty. And after like I wand curl, like after I do each wand curl, y'all see I'm gonna spritz it, and I'm gonna do this. I got my hair sprayed. Like, if I wanted to wear this hair in like a U-part wig, I could do that because this hair is so, it resembles my hair so much. Like, a lot of black people, like friends and family, they say that they like this type of hair, like Malaysian hair, because of the simple fact that it resembles their hair more so than like Brazilian hair and stuff. You wouldn't even know. Well, I mean, this you know because it's so freaking long, but if I had it at like 12 inches or like, excuse me, or like 14 inches and I had my leave out, like out, y'all would be like, oh, that looks like your hair be grown, girl, your hair grown, girl. But no, it's just that Malaysian. It's just so bomb. Like, it gets a little frizzy, how, you know, black people's hair get when it's like real hot outside. That's why I like it, because Brazilian, it don't do that. Like, your hair will be frizzy and then the Brazilian will just be straight or still in a curl, and then it's just like, ew, girl, what the heck, you need some new weave. That doesn't look right, it looks too fake. And that was me. The little girl was me. It's so easy when you have a wig with a closure. You can just put that joint on, pop it on, don't even have to lay it or nothing, as long as it's tight on your beam, and put a hat on and go. Like, closures were the easiest things for me in college. Like, so freaking easy. Even now, like, if I just want to go out the house, I would just put a freaking wig on and a hat. But you can't really do that with the frontal because, you know, you're gonna have all this part like out and stuff. Like, I never done that with the frontal. I have been waiting to do this freaking face the whole time I've been doing my hair, but I am about to prime my face with, you guys know, this is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched face base. I did moisturize my face earlier, but my skin just been real dry. Like, she real dry. When I wake up, I put moisturizer on. When I go to sleep, I wake up and she's dry. She needs water. Okay, really needs some hydration. I'm really just press that into my skin. Yes. Next is this beautiful thing. This is the Covergirl True Blend Base Business. This is the skin smoothing one, and I am almost out of this. I just ordered some more, so it should be coming in the mail very soon. Smooth, I'm not in the mood. Trying to make a move. That is my freaking song. I'm gonna just smooth this all over my skin. And as y'all can see, your girl broke out. Yeah, Mother Nature did not mess with me this last month. She left something behind. She can't, usually she come and she just take everything with her. This time she came, left a little boop, boop. Yeah, I was here, you saw me. Like, she left some stuff. She left some right here, she left some right there. Like, girl, when you come, you take your stuff with you. You don't leave it behind. Okay, and then I have been creasing a little bit lately, so I am going to put this NYX Glitter Glue over here and on my forehead. Ooh, I drop something every time in the video. Yeah, okay, I'm just gonna smooth this out on my skin and just pat that there. Sometimes you really don't want to like smooth it out because it can get a little balled up, so patting it is the best thing to do. Okay, so since I am all out of my Covergirl, I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant, whatever it's called. It's in Tahoe. And everything will be in the description box below for you guys to check out. Brushes I use, all that good stuff. But I'm just going to squirt a couple pumps of this all over my face. And I'm gonna blend it out using like the butt of my beauty sponge. Alright, so now I'm just going to conceal under my eyes. I need some concealer under there so I can look like I just had 15 hours of sleep, and you know, my face can just be, everything can just be lifted. Blend, blend, blend. This is my favorite part because everything just looks so much smoother and softer, especially under my eyes, like, and my forehead. My forehead looks really smooth when I put this concealer on. Now I'm gonna set those areas really quickly. I'm setting them now because I want to powder contour instead of cream contour, just to switch it up. I'm gonna take this baby right here. I used to, like, this is one of my holy grails. I used to powder contour with this all the time. So I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna use the shade Contour. It's right here, that one. I'm gonna use this brush. It's like, it's weird. It's like an angled brush. It's from Laura Mercier. And I'm gonna try this out. I never tried this before, but let's see how it works. Okay, that look nice. That look real nice. That's nice. All right, bet. This may be a new favorite brush, honestly. And I'll put a little bit, like not a lot of contour up on my forehead, but just enough to give it like that shadow. As you're gonna take a new, different eyebrow product. And it is the Colourpop brow pomade. Well, I call it a pomade. It is pomade, but it's like brow color or something like that. And I have the color Bangin Brunette. It looks really good. Like, they giving Anastasia a run for their money. I'm here for it. Okay, now it's time for our eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna take this MAC 221 brush and I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place. I just got this. I think you pronounce it Afrique, because you know we freak them. But the Afrique palette, and I'm gonna use the color Cameroon. It's like a nice, it's called Cameroon. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's like a nice burnt orange color, and I'm going to use this as my transition color, but I'm really gonna focus it on the outer corner because I want to create a cut crease, like a nice cute fierce dramatic cut crease. This eyeshadow blends so well, it's crazy. I'm gonna bring it out a little bit, not even a little bit, kind of a lot actually. Alright, so I'm gonna take this like little brush for under my eyes, and I'm gonna take that same color and just run it right under there. I hate doing this face, but I just have to make it. Like, I don't know how to not make this face when I put stuff under my eyes. Like, it just happens. I'm gonna take this color called Dacre, that's how you say it, and I'm gonna run this right here. But this is how the color looks. It looks like that. Boop. I knew he was gonna do that. Yes, she's cute. Ooh. All right, so now I'm gonna take my soft glam palette because this palette doesn't have like a brown or a black. So I want to take this color first called Cypress Umber. Oh, you can't even see it for real. Cypress Umber. And then I want to take this Noir, their black shade. I need to find a brush, a clean brush, because most of my brushes are dirty. All right, so first I'm going to take Cypress Umber, put this on the outer corner, and then bring it in a little bit. And then bring it up. Pretty much everything I do to the top of my eye, I'm going to do to the bottom. So just taking that brown on like an angled brush and just putting that right there. So now I'm going to take some of black, and I'm taking more like a packing brush because I don't want that black to go all over the place. I'm just going to pack that right on that outer corner. So I'm going to take the Klaiyi base, and I'm going to cut out a crease. Carve this crease out. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cameroon and put this on the outer corner of that crease, and a little bit of Dakar, which is that orange color in the palette. I'm gonna take this color called Orange Soda, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So I added, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I added a little bit of glitter on this eye. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye, of course. So I'm just taking some glitter glue from NYX and just pretty much putting it around, and then I'm gonna take some of my glitter and just lightly tap it. So I'm just gonna line my eyes really quickly, and then I'm going to put on some lashes. You guys know what lashes I'm gonna use. You already know. Some like bottom lashes. So I have, I'm letting this one dry, but I have like regular strip lashes and I just cut it. But yeah, I'm gonna just add one piece right here. Oh, that's cute. She cute. Oh, how y'all liking that? Let me know. Without or with the bottom lashes. Y'all, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this channel. It is free 99, so definitely subscribe to my channel, be a part of the gang. And if you're not following me on my Instagram, definitely follow me on my Instagram over there so you can see my lip pictures that I post from this look. Oh, I'm just feeling this look so freaking much. If you guys want to get this hair, it will be in the description box below, along with my other coupon codes and the products that I use and the brushes that I use and all that good stuff that you guys be wanting to know in the comment section. So definitely check out the description box. It will be all in there for you guys. So yeah, that is the end of this video. I love you guys so freaking much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.